Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based on Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today, guys, is show you how you can create this cloud effect within Adobe Photoshop, a really cool idea that you can use across many forms of graphic design. And trust me when I say it's a very easy step-by-step process that you need to follow to create such an effect. Okay, let's try it. So with our move tool, I'm just going to select this top layer here and just press backspace to remove. And then we're going to start off with our original image of the sky. So next of all, the obvious thing that I would need to do is create the text. So I'm going to come to my type tool here, click on the artboard, and let's say we create the word sky. Okay, so I can manually create this, well, increase the size of this word here by using the keyboard shortcut Command-T for Mac users or Control-T for Window users to get our transform options open. And I'm going to use another keyboard shortcut Option on Mac users or Alt for Window users to resize from the center point and get to a point like so. There. Bear with me 1 second whilst I do that. Perfect. Now, I just want to make sure the alignment of this is correct. So I'm going to come to our alignment tools here. Please make sure that you have your move tool selected and make sure that you have the 3 dots, you have it aligned to the canvas, and I want to align it horizontally center to the artboard there. Perfect. So now we're in a position now to start implementing our effects. So what I'll need to do is convert this layer into a smart object. So all you need to do is right click on that layer, convert to smart object like so. Now what I would like to do is apply a filter of a Gaussian blur. So I'll go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Now I'm going to keep it around 50. Obviously, you're in charge of the radius yourself, but keep it so you get a sort of a blur effect like so. So 50 works for you even better. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do to that layer now is add a layer mask to it like so, which will allow me now to go to filter, render, clouds like so. And there you have it, guys. That's how easy you create that cloud effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, guys, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much. Take care, and I'll see you next time.